Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. And in today's video, we are going to do demo for how to register Azure Data Lake Gen 2 in Purview for a scanning purpose, discovery purpose, and compliance purpose. And in our Azure Data Lake, we have different type of file kept for this demo. So if we go into our Synapse instance, and right now we have some Delta data put into this file, another file system. Parquet form is there, CSV is there. So if we run some data, like this is Delta format, and we can see that some holiday related data is present into that thing. And if we go and see the Delta Parquet one, there is that details for age, sex, what is the BP and sugar related data is there, diabetic related data is there. And another place, if we go, that we have some CSV data which has some COVID related cases. So this is our Gen 2 storage. This is our lake, and it is Gen 2. And in the container, if we see, we have Delta data. There are some Delta data present. There is another container which has some JSON data. And if we go into another container, then we can find some Parquet related data. That Parquet format data is present. So we are going to register as a source into Azure Purview and see that how it scans for different file type, and it sees that how it is able to detect the schema and other things. Let's see that one quickly. So let me register as a Azure Data Lake Gen 2 source. Okay. Gen 2, and it is going to list from my subscription. So let it be right now. I'm going to select this one is our demo Synapse Lake. Yeah, this is our demo Synapse Lake only. So it says this one, which container we are going to do. So let's put into job. Maybe right now policy is disabled. So let's register this as a source. Okay, the source has been registered. Let's go into view details, where right now there is no scan, no saved. Let's create a new scan quickly. So a scan for Parquet. Let me give that. Scan everything it is going to scan. So scan Gen 2. So let me put that. And for that we have to provide that our Purview account as a reader. So let me go back here, and this is our lake. Let me add this as storage blob reader. Let's see that if reader is working fine or not for this one. Okay, so I just added as a reader that our managed identity for Purview, and let's test connection this one. So it says that connection has failed to access this one with managed identity. Let's see what is the details. Do we have to any other thing we have to do? So let's see one more time. Maybe it takes some time for. Yeah, this time it is successful because we did quickly, so nothing got changed. So let's see. So now we are saying that, okay, go ahead and scan all of different type of data set which is present into this lake, and let's remove this one because this has similar data which we have put into this one, so there will be duplicate. So I do not want to go in duplicate one. And okay, maybe we can say that this COVID cases, right? COVID cases we have, so not all. So let's put this one. And what is the scale rule set it is going to use? So right now default, let's keep the default one, and let's go and run only one time. Now it is queued. It will take some time to run. Because metadata finding into SQL related thing is easy because we have column provided, and we can have this one. For this big data related thing where delta is present and Parquet is present. Some file in CSV is there, some file is into JSON is there, some data is in JSON. So it is a little bit tough because it has to sample everything, that what is that into that, some records is present into that file or something, and then it is going to, I guess it is going to find that one. So let's see. Been completed. So let's see the details, right? 12 asset is discovered and 12 is ingested. So if we go into our collection section, and we know that we selected that time job, so there is 15 registered assets. Let's go into this section and see that. So yeah, delta log is one file it got, and COVID cases, delta data is the container, and ECDC cases for our COVID cases, JSON data is there. So all this came for here. But what I want to see that in test JSON, it is able to detect our schema or not, right? So schema, let's say, yeah, I detected that this was the schema. Let's see. So if we go into our container for JSON, and if we go inside this file, so I put only one thing. So yeah, it is able to get the details that this is that array and other things. So that is great. Let's go to another file, right? So now we have this ECDC COVID cases. So in COVID cases, this was the CSV file. So if we see this one, this is the CSV file, right? And in schema, let's go and see that, okay, this has a classification also done, that country region is there, territory code is country region, and another thing is there, right? And it also find the details for columns and other things in that one. And now let's go back to once again collection, and then see that we had delta data, right? Delta data in the delta logged, it might be there. So let's see that delta data thing. So in the property section, we have this one lineage. There is nothing. There is no schema in this file. So let's go and see for another one. So delta data is that one, that is that. Okay, it will be into test one. Let's go into see that where we have put delta data into test one folder is there, right? Test one folder. So I want to go into test one folder. There is one is folder and one is Spark option. So yeah, it will be that one for. Yeah, it detected schema. So schema came for that one. There is control region, classification done, date, holiday name. So let's see that one into our delta one. Delta one, this was Parquet. This was format delta, right? Country region, holiday, and it paid time of date and other things. So it get all the detail correctly. So let's go into another one where we had Parquet. So Parquet was there into our Parquet related data was there into test folder. So it will be into test one. So test schema, this one is Spark one. Okay, schema came here, and we see that this is the sex, age, BMI, and other things was there, which we can see here. The sex, age, and BMI. This was format Parquet. So yeah, it is able to find all the details. If we go into catalog section and browse all the assets right now, then we can go and see that, right? If we go into jobs and we see that all this is coming, classification is detected only that country one in the most of the things, two field detected, two table is detected in ECDC, and test one is detected. We can manually also assign that one. All these details. If folder type we want to see that what is the folder type, if file type we want to see that, then we can try to find that one, right? All the details we can see that one. Source type, now we have SQL source, Snowflake source, SQL database agent 2. So all this is there right now. And if we go into home page and try to search something now, cases, let's see. So COVID cases is coming similar to, if we see that movie, then movie will come, movie related, because now we have more places. Holiday, let's see that holiday name is coming into few places, that address in holiday, something will be there. Holiday address is coming, holiday name is why it is listing over there, cities. So yeah, this is how it is working right now. Okay, so classification, because of classification it is might be searching with holiday name and other things. So that is what I wanted to check, that one, that how it is going to connect with Data Lake Gen 2 and how it is working with different file formats, right? Thank you.